Hello, my name is Kyle Power, and this is my introduction presentation for MPA 593 for Cal Baptist University. I currently live in Ventura, California with my wife Kelly, who is a school teacher, and my son, who just turned 3 years old. His name is Owen, and some things we enjoy doing are going to the beach, going bowling, and going to the park nearby our house. I'm currently a lifeguard captain with the Los Angeles County Fire Department. I currently work in Santa Monica. I work a 24-hour shift that responds to medical emergencies, marine emergencies, rescue boat emergencies in the 24 hours that I am there. I In the past year, I've also became the Lifeguard Association president of the Lifeguard Division Union, which represents about 1,000 members on the coastal areas of Los Angeles County of the ocean lifeguards. And interior to the coast, I represent the Lake Lifeguard Services, which staffs a number of different lakes in Los Angeles County. And in the most recent, I guess, 8 months, we've been negotiating our contracts for our MOU and our fringe benefits contracts that have been ongoing and hopefully coming to an end sometime soon. In my work experience as a supervisor for LA County, I work in a capacity that is mission driven, and not only by the citizens and the public, but by the board of supervisors for LA County. And with my role as the union president, I do quite a bit of work with the board of supervisors as well. Janice Hahn in the 4th District and Sheila Kuehl in the 3rd District are areas that we operate as lifeguards. And although the other board of supervisors are in districts that are not coastal to LA County, the constituents and the public that comes and recreates at our beaches and our lakes are ones from their districts as well. So we or my board and myself will meet with their staff aides and with them to develop mechanisms to increase access to the ocean, to access to our junior lifeguard programs, access to just coming to the beach with transportation, and providing a level of service to the citizens of Los Angeles County. With that as well, there are other political reasons that we are involved with the Board of Supervisors, which help enhance our ability to negotiate our working conditions, hours, and wages. The organization that I work for currently, I am a beach captain or a supervisor for the lifeguard division, with a few options for a career path that I would possibly be interested in. Now, I know this assignment tasked us with looking at another position in public administration that would be desirable, and in all honesty, I really do feel like I'm doing what I was meant to do. I don't see many avenues outside of the lifeguard division or in any public safety arena that I would be interested in doing. Although with my experience that I'm getting with working with the board of supervisors, maybe something working with in the political realm of working for a board office and doing strategies for political campaigns and stuff like that might be something I could maybe be interested in. With the relationships that I've established so far, but realistically, my upward mobility really sits with where I am now as a beach captain and the potential for me to promote into a Marine Battalion Chief position. However, with that, becomes a little bit more competitive. As it sits now, there are about 36 beach captains that are viable to promote into a Marine Battalion Chief position. Now, not all of those positions are available. Majority of the people that are actually sitting in these managerial positions are just about a year or two older than me in age. Therefore, they kind of tie up those positions for the remainder of my career. So with limited access and maybe upward mobility to that position, I may or may not have that ability to promote into that position, although it could be a possibility. With that being said, the requirements for a Marine Battalion Chief, which would be the next level, would require a little bit more experience on my part and just kind of doing a good job at what I'm doing now. Certainly, I would not be a union president if I were to go into a managerial position. Essentially, it would be essentially be sitting on the other side of the table that I am on now. But with the relationship that I'm establishing with the board of supervisors, the fire chiefs, and my own lifeguard division battalion chiefs, I am establishing a rapport with them, a working relationship, so we can harmoniously work together to strive for, at the end of the day, equality and good working conditions for our members, and that lends itself to better public safety. And that is the conclusion of my introduction to the MPA 593 class. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to learning from everybody and watching all your introductory presentations. All right. Thank you.